Stop. You're about to learn the most powerful mind hacks. Have you ever wished you could control others' mind like a superpower? What if I told you that you could control people's minds without even realizing it? Imagine if you could read people's thoughts, influence their actions, and even make them trust you instantly. Sounds impossible. It is not. In this video, I will reveal 10 powerful mind control techniques that psychologists and master influencers use to control minds of people. And here's the best part. While learning these tricks, you will also improve your English. You will learn real-life conversations, expand your vocabulary, and sound more confident when speaking. Yes. Throughout this video, I will ask you to repeat sentences after me for practice. This way, you will not only learn these powerful hacks, but also speak English more confidently. Now, repeat after me. 1. I am ready to master my mind. 2. I am ready to unlock my full potential. 3. I am ready to change my life. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Mind hack number 1. The power of silence. Control any conversation. Have you ever noticed that when there's silence in a conversation, people get uncomfortable? Imagine this. You're negotiating a salary. The boss says, "We can offer you $3,000 per month." Instead of answering, you pause, stay silent, and just smile. What happens next? The boss starts feeling awkward. Maybe he's not happy. Maybe I should increase the offer. And suddenly, they say, "Actually, we can do $3,500. You just won without saying a word. How to use this hack? 1. Stay silent after someone gives you an offer. They might improve it. 2. When someone lies, don't respond. Watch them, get nervous, and reveal the truth. 3. In an argument, stay quiet. Let the other person over-explain and expose their weak points. Your English practice. Repeat after me. E. Silence is powerful. Say it out loud. Silence is powerful. 2. People talk more when they feel uncomfortable. Your turn. People talk more when they feel uncomfortable. 3. Confidence comes from speaking less and listening more. Say it with me. Confidence comes from speaking less and listening more. Now, comment below. Have you ever used silence to win a conversation? Try it today and tell me what happens. Mind hack number 2. The power of expectation. Control how people treat you. Did you know that the way you expect to be treated controls how people treat you? Imagine 2 people walk into a room. The first one looks nervous, unsure, and small, as if they don't belong. The second one walks in with confidence, a straight posture, and a calm face, as if they own the room. Who do you think gets more respect? Who do you think people listen to? The confident one. Because when you expect to be treated with respect, others subconsciously follow your belief. Story. Example. James was always ignored at work. His boss never listened, and colleagues interrupted him in meetings. But one day, he tried an experiment. Before entering a room, he told himself, "I belong here. People respect my words." He walked in with confidence. He took his time before speaking. He spoke slowly and clearly, as if his words were important. The result? People started listening. His boss asked for his opinion. He became more influential, all because he changed his expectations. How to use this hack. 1. Before entering a room, tell yourself, I expect respect. 2. Stand tall, keep eye contact, and speak calmly. 3. Never apologize unnecessarily. You deserve to be there. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. People treat me the way I expect to be treated. People treat me the way I expect to be treated. 2. I deserve respect, and I expect respect. I deserve respect, and I expect respect. 3. I belong in every room I walk into. I belong in every room I walk into. Comment below. Have you ever noticed people treating you based on your confidence level? Try this hack today and tell me what happens. Mind hack number 3, the 3-second rule. Destroy fear instantly. Have you ever seen an opportunity, but hesitated? You wanted to speak up, but you overthought it. You wanted to approach someone, but you got nervous. You wanted to start a new habit, but you delayed it. And then, you did nothing. Why? Because your brain kills action with overthinking. But here's the secret. If you act within 3 seconds, you stop fear from taking over. Story example. Sarah wanted to ask a question in class. But as she hesitated, her brain whispered, "What if you sound stupid? What if people judge you?" She stayed silent again. But then she learned the 3-second rule. Next time, she counted 1 and raised her hand before her brain could stop her. The result? She felt powerful. The more she did it, the easier it became. How to use this hack. 1. Whenever you feel hesitation, count 1 and act. 2. Don't let your brain make excuses. Just do it. 3. The more you use this rule, the braver you become. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Action beats fear. Action beats fear. 2. I act before my brain stops me. I act before my brain stops me. 3. I take action within 3 seconds. I take action within 3 seconds. Comment below. Try the 3-second rule today. What action did you take? Mind hack number 4. The spotlight effect. Nobody is watching you. Do you ever feel like everyone is judging you? Maybe you made a small mistake, and now you feel like everyone saw it. Maybe you feel shy because people might think you look weird. Maybe you avoid speaking up because you're afraid of looking stupid. But guess what? Nobody is watching you as much as you think. This is called the spotlight effect. Think people notice us more than they actually do. Story example. Jake was afraid of going to the gym. He thought, everyone will look at me. They will see that I don't know what I'm doing. But then he learned about the spotlight effect. So he tried an experiment. At the gym, he observed others. What were they doing? They were all focused on themselves. Nobody was watching him. That day, Jake realized, people are too busy with their own lives to care about you. How to use this hack. 1. Realize that people don't notice you as much as you think. 2. Everyone is too focused on their own life. 3. Stop overthinking. Just do what you want. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Nobody is watching me. I am free. Nobody is watching me. I am free. 2. People are focused on themselves, not me. People are focused on themselves, not me. 3. I will not let fear stop me. I will not let fear stop me. Comment below. Have you ever avoided doing something because you felt people were watching? Try this hack today and tell me what happens. Mind hack number 5. The Zygarnik effect. Trick your brain to stay motivated. Why is it so easy to start a TV show, but hard to stop? Why does an unfinished task keep bothering you? It's because of the Zygarnik effect. Your brain hates unfinished things. Story example. Emma wanted to write a book, but she always felt lazy. Then, she tried something new. She told herself, I will only write 1 sentence today. But after writing 1 sentence, she felt like continuing. Why? Because her brain didn't like stopping in the middle. That's the Zygarnik effect. Once you start something, your brain wants to finish it. How to use this hack. 1. Start with just a small step. Your brain will want to continue. 2. Never say I'll do it later. Just start for 2 minutes. 3. Use this trick to build good habits. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Once I start, I want to continue. Once I start, I want to continue. 2. I will take the first step now. I will take the first step now. 3. My brain loves completing tasks. My brain loves completing tasks. Comment below. What is one thing you've been delaying? Start it for 2 minutes today and tell me how it felt. Mind hack number 6. Dopamine detox. Reset your brain for success. Do you feel lazy, unmotivated, or distracted? Do you find it hard to focus on boring tasks? That's because your brain is addicted to quick dopamine, social media, video games, and junk food. Story example. Tom used to check his phone every 5 minutes. He couldn't focus on studying or working. Then, he learned about dopamine detox. For 1 day, he avoided social media, fast food, and video games. At first, it was hard, but by the end of the day, he felt clear, focused, and motivated. His brain reset itself. How to use this hack. 1. Take a break from social media, junk food, and distractions. 2. Let your brain reset. Feel the difference. 3. Use this to regain focus and motivation. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. I control my brain, not my phone. I control my brain, not my phone. 2. I will reset my focus today. I will reset my focus today. 3. My mind is powerful without distractions. My mind is powerful without distractions. Comment below. Try a 1-day dopamine detox and tell me how you feel. Mind hack number 7. The 5-second rule. Stop overthinking and act fast. Do you ever hesitate when you need to take action? Maybe you wake up late instead of jumping out of bed. Maybe you delay starting a task because it feels too hard. Here's the solution: the 5-second rule. Story example. Mike struggled to wake up early. One day, he tried the 5-second rule. The moment his alarm rang, he counted. He got up before his brain could make excuses. This worked for everything: exercising, working, studying. The faster he acted, the less he overthought. How to use this hack. 1. When you need to do something. 2. Act immediately before your brain stops you. 3. Use it for waking up, studying, or taking action. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. I take action before I overthink. I take action before I overthink. 3. I will not let excuses stop me. I will not let excuses stop me. Comment below. Try the 5-second rule today and tell me what action you took.